If you don't like bulky boxes but still love unboxing new tech, then you'll want to see this. Apple's AirPods 4 are here with fresh features and a planet-friendly twist. Let's check it out. Meet the future of wireless audio, starting with the box. Apple's new AirPods 4 come in a 100% fiber-based, plastic-free package that's more than 30% smaller. Unwrap it and you'll find redesigned earbuds, a compact USB-C charging case with a hidden LED, and the usual docks. No charging cable in the box, so plan ahead. First impressions? The case is about 10% smaller and more squared, making it pocket-perfect. The earbuds have a comfy open-ear fit, no silicone tips, and setting up is a breeze. Just open the case near your device and tap Connect. Powered by the H2 chip, you get deeper bass, crisp highs, and awesome features like personalized spatial audio, adaptive EQ, and on the ANC model, active noise cancellation. Control your tunes or calls with just a pinch, or a nod for Siri. Sweat, dust, even rain? No problem, thanks to the IP54 rating. And battery life? Up to 5 hours per charge, 30 hours with the case.